Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome. My name is Dudu. I go by the name of At Home with Dudu. I'm trying to make this vlog. I'm opening this vlog as we go to our last day of school. So I'm making a smoothie for me and my daughter. That's what we normally eat in the morning. We don't want anything that is heavy, so we normally eat smoothie that is made of anything. So welcome to my vlog. As you have seen, my daughter has been invited to a party of a friend, so they have some activities to do. I think they will start with the spa. So they were so excited leaving. After the spa, they will go to the boat cruise. Then after the boat cruise, they will have lunch somewhere. So the excitement, guys, the excitement of the girls going for enjoyment, I tell you, it was eldest daughter. Oh God, my daughter is so growing. She has been invited by someone to be their partner on the metric dance. So she was accompanying the guy that they go to church with to his metric dance. So yeah, he was so worried to be beautiful. Will this dress fit me perfectly or what? Oh, guys, somebody is I'm getting old, I tell you. Oh, my mom has been complaining of her other eye, right eye. So she has taken upon herself to go and check what is happening. So she'll be operated today of an eye, right eye, and they remove whatever that needs to be removed. Oh, shame, man. Good luck, mom.